So I got to organize the next 3 days here. We have an aggressive plan, aggressive things to do. We have a whole slew of people here, and to make sure there's order, I have to put things together here on this board. What I like to do is actually action items, things that have to be done. I'm gonna list everything I can on all this section here. Parts arrived. I gotta check and make sure that everything come in the way I thought it was gonna come in, what I anticipated coming in, and I need to check that off and make sure. And then I can make a corrective action plan if there's not something here to either buy a new piece, change the piece, you know, etc. Parts and materials needed. There's sometimes I need certain metals and certain materials, and fasteners are usually always the killer. So I have to have fasteners letting down here.